How to install our full motion height adjustable ceiling TV mount. Using a stud finder, locate the center of the ceiling joist or angled wall stud. Center the ceiling bracket on the stud and mark the center of the holes with a pencil. Drill holes on the marked locations using a 7/32 of an inch drill bit to a depth of 2.75 inches. Attach the ceiling bracket using the lag screws and washers. For mounting to concrete or brick, center the ceiling bracket in the desired location and mark the center of the holes with a pencil. Drill holes on the marked locations using a 15/32 of an inch drill bit to a depth of 1.8 inches. Do not drill mounting holes into mortar, such as between bricks or stones. Remove the nuts in both sets of washers from the concrete anchors, then insert the anchors into the holes. Place the ceiling bracket onto the anchor bolts, then replace the washers, lock washers, and nuts. Tighten the nuts until secure. Align the upper pole with the ceiling bracket and connect them together in the configuration shown here. Slide the TV bracket onto the end of the lower pole until it rests on the base of the pole. Insert the lower pole into the upper pole. Position it at the preferred height, then secure it in place using the bolts and nuts. Select the bracket configuration that matches your TV's VESA pattern. Refer to the table and diagrams in the manual to help determine the correct configuration and orientation. Secure the arms to the plate using the bolts and the nuts. Select the appropriate size mounting and washers for your display's mounting holes. Lay your TV down on a flat surface and align the VESA arms over the VESA holes as shown. Attach the bracket to the TV using the selected bolts, washers, and/or spacers, then tighten the bolts until secure. Do not over-tighten. Remove the pre-installed bolts and washers from the VESA plate. Hang the TV onto the end of the mount so that it hooks onto the top of the TV bracket, then lower it until the bolts pass through the channel on the lower portion. Reinstall the bolts and washers removed at the start of this step. Ensure the TV is level before fully tightening the bolts. Route cables through the pole, leaving enough slack for the swivel function.